Last week I downloaded a video on how to make a giant lollipop for Valentine's Day. And I was really excited over this project. But once I downloaded the video, a lot of my viewers are having some problems coming up with an idea for a pole. Now, I suggested you could use PVC pipe. That works really wonderful for this project. But I have come up with another twist for this, and I'm going to share this with you today. We're going to do a different base, and we're going to change this from a lollipop into a lollipop ring. And I know y'all probably seen some of these videos already, but I've come up with a technique that works really wonderful for myself, and I just wanted to pass this idea along to my viewers. So what you're going to need is just some of the same materials that we use for the lollipop. And you're going to need to get 2 party bowls. We're adding, these are little cake plates. You can find these in the bakery section at Walmart, Hobby. You might want to go ahead and turn on your notification bell. That way when I drop the next video that I'm getting ready to download, I'm working on a baby shower gift using the same technique on how I made the pop ring. I am going to be making some gender reveal baby rattles. So I've got one that I've already started construction. I'm getting ready to download that video. So if you like what I'm doing here, like I said, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your notification bell. That way when I drop the next video, you'll be alerted and can keep up with it. And we'll be able to see that. See you next time.